What is up, everybody? Tonight I'm gonna make a quick little video of this is gonna be a true cold start. My truck's been sitting all day. I haven't started it. I haven't really done a true cold start showing the difference between like before, whenever I didn't have my headers, to now. So I'm gonna fire this bitch up and let y'all hear it. I have the Flowmaster 44 dual exhaust put on there, long tube headers and cold air intake and all that good stuff. You already know about that, but alright, well, here it goes. Loving that right now. It's nice and cold out here right now. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, y'all drop a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell me what you guys think.